Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it.
What's up, y'all? It's time to unbox this PS5. No, it's disc free now. This the disc free one. Cause if you buying disc, man, you don't even really need the disc. That's unnecessary space. You know, it's the 8K, 4K, 120 HDR on it. You know what I'm talking about. Let's look at the box a little beat up. It must have got beat up in transportation. But look at it. It should have a PS5, a wireless controller, a base, a HDMI cable, a AC power cord, a USB cable, and then I'm assuming it's gonna have the printed materials like the instructions. Whew! Play like never before. Look at that. Breathtaking. Look, it even said breathtaking immersion on that bad boy. Lightning speed, stunning games. Whew. This is what the top look like of the box. Alright, let's get the opening real quick. And as you see, we have the verified authentic sticker from StockX. So let's see. Ooh, look at the flaps on that. If the flaps don't look like this, it might not be a real box. That's all I'm telling you. Push that to the side over there. Look at that top. Easy, easy, easy. And here come the nice and easy part right here. You want it to slide out now. Nothing too crazy. It should come out pretty easy from this point on. There go the manual, like I was saying, it should have in there. Power cord. Make sure you got the US power cable for the United States. They got ones for the UK and China. Different settings there. Here go the bad boy controller right there. Woo! That PS5 controller. Look at that. Now they redid the button layout on here. Analogs feel nice. We don't want to beat them up too much just yet. We're going to save that for the gaming. Now, they say it got adaptive triggers on it. And then, you know, you got your share button, your PS button, and then your options button. And then they look like they went with a recolor. Instead of the old blue, orange, and green and all that, they went with the regular non-colors now. So we got a nice black and white controller here. Kind of reminds you of the Xbox a little bit. Oh, drop something. And now this is the USB cable right here for your controller setup to the... It looked like it takes a Type-C charger now on the controller. You definitely got your little microphone port there. So, yep, Type-C. Then we got the HDMI cable it comes with. I'm pretty sure you can replace it with a newer one or one that's longer, but I would use the regular one for now because it's not gonna mess with the picture or sound or anything. Here we go, bad boy itself. Now it is nice and wrapped up, so set that off to the side there. And now this is PS5 itself. Look at that bad boy coming out the package. Nice and sleek design. A little taller than the PS4. Actually, it's probably the tallest PlayStation there is right now. And then this is the base, I'm assuming, for the PS5. It sits in right here, just like that. Got it backwards. So it should sit in its slot just like that. And then this is the front right here. Nice front power button. That's where you plug in your charger for your PS5 there. And now it looks like it moved the USB ports to the back. And then you got an Ethernet, an HDMI port, and then don't forget your good old power supply right there. And now these do come off, so you got to be careful with the frame in here. You don't want to take those off just yet. And now let's take a look at this base really quick here. You got your base. It should sit your PS5 and the controller for when you're not playing. I'm assuming like this. Just in here somewhere. So it should sit up your PS5. And then when you're all done and connected, it should look just like this. Sitting right up nice and tall next to your TV. Or if you want to hide it, you can. But I wouldn't recommend hiding something this beautiful. Just like that. So, alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing video. Now, that's it for now. I gotta get the gaming.